Our next step is to preheat the oven and prepare our pans. It's important to preheat the oven to make sure the oven is at the right temperature when we put our cakes in. For this recipe, if you have a conventional oven, you'll use the temperature of 350 degrees. If you're using a convection oven, you'll want to set that temperature 50 degrees lower to 300 degrees because a convection oven moves the air around in the oven and you need a lower temperature. Now we're going to prepare our pans. You need to prepare your pans even if you're using nonstick pans like these. Now you can do that in several different ways. You can rub it with a little oil or margarine. I'm using margarine here. And you do it like this, with a napkin, and you spread that margarine all over the pan. Get the bottom and the sides nice and evenly, not too thick. And then you'll dust it with a little flour. Just shake that flour all around the bottom of the pan and then the sides to make sure you coat it completely. This will help the cake come out when it's time to take it out.